عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 9, Algebra 1. We are in Model 4, Lesson 3, Slope Intercept 4. Today we want to continue our work in yesterday, Slope Intercept 4. In this lesson, we want to learn how to rewrite linear equations in slope intercept form and how to graph and interpret linear functions. And in this lesson, we have a new words, parameter and constant function. And yesterday, we learned writing linear equations in slope intercept form. And we learned the form of the equation, y equal mx plus b. What's the meaning of m? The slope. The slope. And what is the meaning of the b? Y-intercept. What is the meaning of y-intercept?
X is 0 and Y something with that.
X0 and yb. And what's the meaning of b? The intersecting point between the function or the linear and the x-axis, the y-axis. The intersecting point between the linear and the y-axis. نقطة التقاطع بين المستقيم اللينير ومحور الواي. المحور الواي. تمام؟ And we solved this example. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line with a slope of 4/7 and y-intercept of 5. We start to write the form of the equation of the y-intercept, y equal mx plus b, and then substitute the value of m 4/7 and the value of b 5. Then we wrote the equation. And here the same idea. Write an equation for the line with a slope of -5 and y-intercept of 12. We have slope -5. So we have m equal -5. And we have y-intercept 12. Y-intercept 12. So we can write b equal 12. Who can tell me what is the form of the slope in y-intercept? What is the equation? What is the equation of the slope in the form y-intercept? Who can remember us? Y
equals mx plus
equal great Milad mx plus b. Ali, what is the meaning of m? When you see m in the equation, what is the meaning of m here? Mansoor Ali, what is the meaning of m? Right. Right. The value of m -5, but what is the grade? But what is the meaning of m? Who can tell me what is the meaning of M? The slope. What is the meaning of M? The slope. M means slope. And what is the meaning of V? Y intercept. So how to write the equation? Just substitute the values. So y equal, what is the value of M, ya Ali? Minus 5. So write here minus 5 x. And what is the value of V? 12. Okay. Right. Listen to this example, please. Rewrite linear equations in slope-intercept form. Write negative 22x plus 8y equal 4 in slope-intercept form. So we want to write this form in the slope-intercept form, like y equal mx plus b. Y equal mx plus b. So we want to keep y in this side and to remove the other terms to the next side. So we want to remove negative 22x. So we can add 22x to the two sides. 22x and minus 22x will be 0, remains here 8y. Then we want to remove 8. We can divide the two sides by 8, as you see. So remains here y x plus 0.5. Who can tell me what is the value of 75? What is the value? What is the name of this? Is it y-intercept or the slope? The slope. So what is the slope here? Ali, what is the slope here? 2.75. And what is the value of p here? 0.5. What is the meaning of p? Y-intercept. What is the meaning of p? What is the meaning of y-intercept? No. The intersecting point between the linear and the y-axis. What is the meaning of p? نقطة التقاطع والمحور Okay. Write this new title, please. Graphing. Write a new page. Graphing linear functions in slope-intercept form. Graphing linear functions in slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form of a linear equation is y equal mx plus v, where m is the slope and v is the y-intercept. The variables m and v, the variables m and v are called parameters. So what is the meaning of parameters? The value of m and v. The variables m and v, the variables m and v are called parameters. So what is the meaning of parameters? The variables m and v. Okay, so if you see in the question, find the parameter, means find the value of m and the value of p. Okay, so I want from all now, under the title, write the define of the parameters. Right, the variables m and v are called parameters. A constant function is a linear function of the form y equal b, constant function where b doesn't equal 0. Don't cross the x-axis. The graphs of constant function have a slope of 0. The domain of a constant function is all real numbers and the range is b. هلا نحن الايكويشن بنعرفها انه هي y equal mx plus b. اذا كانت قيمه الام 0 يعني اذا كان السلوب يساوي 0 0 times x 0 معناتها هذا الترم كله شو صار عندي 0 شو ضل عندي البي معناتها صارت y equal b. هلا وقت بصير عندي الفورم من الشكل y equal b شو بنسميه؟ بنسميه constant function. اذا شو هو الكونستانت function؟ A constant function is a linear function of the form y equal b. Write this defined please. وين دفتر الماث؟ خلص؟ ليش ما جبت بداله؟ عندك وقت. اسمك سالم احمد ما؟ سالم احمد الكعبي. طيب, listen to this example. Graph linear functions in slope-intercept form. The question now, graph a linear function with a slope of -3/2 and y-intercept of 4. So we know the m, the slope, and we know the b, the y-intercept. So this is the equation, y equal mx plus b. What is the value of m? -3/2. So substitute here the value of m -3/2 x. And what is the value of b here? Will be 4. So right here 4. So the equation will be y equal -3/2 x plus 4. How to graph? The first, alaykum salam. The first idea, graph the coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis. Then represent the value of b for in x-axis or in y-axis? In y, because b means y-intercept. So go to the y-axis, they represent 4. Represent 4. When you see negative here, means go down. When you see negative, means go down. How many? 3 units. Go down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. We are here now. And what's the meaning of 2? 2 means go right 2 units. 1, 2. So the second point will be here. Then match between the 2 points here, you will get the linear. You will get the linear. Okay? So I want from all to write this question, please. And the graph, yes.
It's not a bit extra small.
بالايكويشن لانه هي ستاندرد فورم نكتبها كابيتال. صح ده كتبناها سمول لتر صح كمان.
لا مو small. بس ما نكتبها بالماث.
الاصح نكتبها نفس ما نكتبها بالماث. هذا الاصح. اكتب السؤال وين دفترك؟ تمام. اكتب السؤال الحل مع الرسم بسرعه شوي بس.
أستاذ الامتحان بيكون عن هذا الدرس؟
So, أحسن صار
done
No.
بسرعة شوي.
Done.
Graph a linear function with a slope of -2 and y-intercept of 7. The first step, graph the coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis. Then represent the y-intercept, represent the y-intercept. So 7 in x-axis or in y-axis? In y-axis. Go to the y-axis, go up 7 units. This is the first point. Then, what's the meaning of negative? Go down or up?
Down.
Go down. How many units? 2 units. So go down 2 units. 1, 2. Then go 1 right. So the second point will be here. Then match between them. ليش؟ تمام. Why we go right 1 unit? When you see slope equal -2, means equal -2 over 1. -2 for the rise. And 1 means the run. So this is the x-axis. And this is y-axis. We have the y-intercept equal 7. So determine here 7. Then, because we have here negative, means go down, go down. How many units? The rise, 2. 2 units. 1, 2. So we are here now. We are here now. Then, because we have 1 here, means go 1 unit right. So the second point will be here. Then match between the 2 points. You will get the linear. Okay, Mila? Done? Listen to this example, please. Graph 12x minus 3y equal 18. And we have here equation of a linear, but this is in standard form. This is not in the slope intercept. So the first idea we want to change this equation to the slope intercept, like y equal mx plus b. So we want to keep y in this side and to transfer the other terms to the second side. So we want to remove 12x. So subtract 12x from the 2 sides. Remains here -3y. Then we want to remove -3. So divide the 2 sides by -3. So remains here y equal 4x minus 6. This is the slope intercept form. Then how to graph create the coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis, then determine the y-intercept. The y-intercept intercept -6. So go to the y-axis, then determine -6 here. This is the first point. Then we have here +4 means from -6 in the y-axis, go 4 units up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the run will be 1 here. So go right 1. Then match between them. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, we are here. Then go right 1. So the point will be here. Then match between the points. Match between the points. Or to graph the function, not the y-intercept. Y-intercept b, so the point means 0, -6. This is the first point here. Then the slope is rise over run equal 4. From 0, -6, move up 4 units and write 1 unit, plot the point 1, -2, then draw a line through the points 0, -6 and 1, -2, much between them. Okay? طيب, who can remember us? What is the name of this form? No. When we have y equal b, means m0, the value of m0. What is the name of this form in this case? Excellent, constant function. Constant function. So when we have y equal b, or y equal any value, constant value, the name of this form, constant function. Constant function. Type. 2 means b, means the point plot 0, 2. And the slope will be what? Will be 0. And the linear doesn't intersect with x-axis, means parallel with x-axis, parallel with x-axis. From 2 in the y-axis, draw the line parallel with x-axis. You will get the linear. You will get the linear. Okay? So I want from all to write this example, please, and the graph. اكتب يعني منصور. كلام خلص. حدا معه قلم إضافي لزميلكم؟ بس يرجع. خلصنا؟ يلا أسرع شوي.
الامتحان بيكونش الصورة.
ليش مرعوب من الامتحان؟ أول شيء هو مو امتحان، هو بوب كويز. يعني أنا المفروض ما خبرتهم ما هيك، بس أنا مشان تدرسوا. لا احتمال اليوم ما عاد اللحين لبكره.
ممكن سؤالين صح؟
ممكن سؤال أو سؤالين. نعم. وهو بوب كويز، وتوقع دائما أسبوعيا في عندك بوب كويز ما راح أخبر عنه. واضح؟ بشكل أسبوعي مشان تكون دائما جاهز وعم تدرس. بشكل أسبوعي في عندنا بوب كويز. خليه
مش على الامتحان اللي هي اليوم.
احتمال بكره. اليوم ما عاد اللحين، خلص بكره. في حدا لسه عم يكتب؟ طيب. So this is our lesson for today. Who has any question about this? Clear for all? Sure. Okay. طيب. I want to from all now to write the first question. Write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form with the given slope and y-intercept. Write it, it's right. Then write the first question. We have slope 3 and y-intercept -5. Then try to write the equation. Start. يلا. Try. يلا منصور علي. ميلاد نكتب السؤال الأول ونحاول نحله. بسرعة بسرعة. Who can tell me what is the answer here? What is the form? Y equal mx plus 3. So what is the equation here?
Y equal 3x
3x
لا
minus 1.
minus 5.
I
Okay? Use the same idea to solve number 2, please.
So y equals 4x minus
Y equal negative 4x
x minus
minus 1. Excellent, Milad.
Stanford, y equals 0x plus 8
Y equal 0x
plus 8.
plus 8 means y equal 8. Y equal 8. What is the name of this form? Constant function. Constant function. And in this form, the line will be parallel with x-axis or will be parallel with y-axis?
What?
Parallel with x-axis.
Yes, just
When the slope equals 0, as you see here, if you want to graph,
stand list of color. Until color.
y equal 8. What's the meaning of y equal 8? Go in the y-axis and represent 8. This is 8. Then you can draw the linear parallel with x-axis because no intersecting point between the line and the x-axis. Okay? Right. Try to solve number 4, please. Y equal 1x. Yes. Excellent, excellent, Isa. 1x means x, so y equal x plus 6. Excellent, Isa. Great work.
The y equals 0x minus x
Level y.
equals 0x minus x.
لا لأنه إذا كانت عندك هون y equal 0x, 0 times any number equal what? Equal 0. So means y equals 0. But y equal 1x, 1 times x means x. Okay. Now the second question, write each equation in slope and intercept form. Listen please to the first question. I will solve number 5, then you will be trying, okay? Listen very well. Listen carefully, please. Okay, and here we have 6x minus 3y equal 9. This is the standard form for the linear. How to write or to rewrite this equation in slope and intercept. So we want to write this equation like y equal mx plus v. So keep y in this side and try to remove 6x from this side. So you can subtract 6x from the two sides, negative 6x from this side and negative 6x from this side. So 6x minus 6x will be 0, remains here negative 3y equal 9 minus 6x. Then we can remove negative 3 from this side. How? You can divide the two sides by negative 3. Divide here by negative 3. Equals positive use the same. Tomorrow I will check, okay? So Milad said we can remove negative 2x from this side. So you can add 2x to the two sides. Negative 2x and plus 2x will be 0, remains here for y.
Y equals 0.5x plus.
Great, Milad. Then we can remove 4 from this side, divide the two sides by 4. Y equals 12 divided by 4 will be 3. And here 2 over 4, you can do simplify. Divide by 2 up and by 2 down will be 1 over 2x. Then you can write y equal 1 over 2 x plus 3.
بس طبعا ما بعرف كيف اطلق هذا الشيء.
هون
عندي المويه.
هلا هون لازم تخلص من الفور. انا كيف بدي اتخلص من الفور؟ قسم على 4. قسمت هذا الطرف على 4، قسمت الطرف الثاني على 4. 4 تقسيم 4 1 1 واي يعني واي. 12 divide by 4 او 12 تقسيم 4 شو بيعطيني؟ 3. هلا 2 ما بتتقسم على 4، شو بعمل لها؟ بعمل لها simplest form، بعمل لها اختصار او اختزال. بقسم فوق على 2 وتحت على 2. 2 تقسيم 2 1 و4 تقسيم 2 2، فبتضل 1 على 2. بتضل 1 على 2 اكس. بعدين شو بعمل؟ بعيد برتبها عشان تكون من الشكل y equal mx بلس b. لازم الاكس تكون بالاول بعدين العدد الثابت. فبكتب ال 1 over 2x اولا بعدين بكتب ال 3. تمام؟
So y equals negative 0.25, so minus 1.
رقم 7.
أيوة. So
ممتاز.
ناقص 25 x ناقص 1.
تمام. شكرا.
يوضح على الدفتر.
بعتكم اياه على الجروب نكتبه على الدفتر. نعم. So this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.